Alright, all here we got another General Electric plastic air conditioner. This one's 9,500 BTUs. I'll do a bit of review for you. I'll see if I can pull this out. I should have put that one on the ground like those two. This one has the General Electric badge on it, or GE. Looks the same as the 6700 I have. Well, I didn't fire these up yet. I figured we'll share the experience, make sure it's off, take a good look at the control panel. I don't think I have to read it to you. Yeah, there you go. You see this one don't have medium. Still has slumber speed. Spiny fin's in good shape. Here's a good look at the nameplate. Alright, let's hear it. I had to buy a temp gun because I forgot mine at home. I really didn't feel like lifting these all out twice. And I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes, so I'm going to make all three of these as quick as I possibly can. Alright. Turn that up. Vent. That works. There he goes, nothing. Let's try high fan. It's actually pretty quiet on high. Really quiet on low. Ready to hear the compressor kick in? But I actually had to turn it off again. Go start, because this one don't go all the way around. Here it goes. The thing kind of stinks a little bit. And it's cooling off. Trying on local. That's nice. It's a shame I can't find a damn hot point version with the freaking energy saver switch and the, I don't know. I found 3 of these in a week's time, and after I get this one cleaned up, I can start working on that one. There you go. It's getting there.